Spinal cord. Spinal cord is also a part of central nervous system. So brain and spinal cord together are going to make the central nervous system, and they are responsible for controlling and coordinating the entire body. Now the spinal cord is formed from the extension of medulla oblongata, which is the part of the brain. And here in the image we can see that this is a vertebral column, and inside this vertebral column there is a neural canal inside which a long cord-like structure is running. This long cord-like structure is called as the spinal cord, and it is going to extend from the medulla to the lumbar region. And like brain is covered with the meninges and it is protected by the CSF as well, so similarly this meninges and CSF is also present in the spinal cord, and this entire spinal cord is protected by the bony thing called as vertebral column. So this over here is a vertebral column. This is the transverse section of the spinal cord, and on each side of spinal cord gray matter is going to form two horns. The first is the dorsal horn and the second one is the ventral horn. So in the image over here you can see the structure. This is the dorsal horn and here we have the ventral horn. This dorsal horn is going to be joined by the sensory nerve, which is going to bring up the impulses from the sensory organ to the spinal cord. And the next, that is the ventral horn, this part, this is connected to the motor nerve, which is going to carry the information from the spinal cord to the effector organ. Let's take a look at the function of spinal cord. So the spinal cord is responsible for conducting the impulses to the brain, and from the brain it is also involved in the reflex action. Reflex action are very quick action which does not involve the functioning of brain. Directly the information comes to the spinal cord. The spinal cord decides the action and then it is given to the effector organ.